good, YouTube? It's your girl, I Got It Beauty, and I'm back with another video. What's up? How you doing today? How you feeling? How you feeling? Brandy versus Monica just popped off. You know, we're going to talk about that in this video today. So go ahead, lace up your bootstraps, tie your wig down, and get ready for this bumpy ride of a beautiful, just quarantine and chill look at home. Get ready with me, all right? Let's go. Oh, YouTube, is that you? Hey! Yeah, you know, I already got started without you. I have to go ahead and start my primer because y'all already know I'm already going to start using the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer off the rip, okay? And, you know, I just wanted to sit here today and just do my makeup, have you guys just get ready with me. And, you know, let me just give you guys my type of go-to at-home quarantine kind of look. I'm gonna go ahead and start pressing in my Laura Mercier powder. This is my translucent medium deep setting powder, and usually what my go-to is I kind of pat this all around my skin just so we can give it this all day lasting look. So we're just gonna go ahead and just put all this everywhere, just everywhere, especially if you know you get oily certain places or dry certain places. That's the places you want to put it. I usually put it just everywhere. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and spray some setting spray in there just to get it nice and sitting in there, okay? And today we're gonna do, it's really gonna be like a natural beat, nothing crazy. I know I did soft glam last video, but this video is more like I'm just chilling at home, laid up with my boo, I got my girls over, you know, and we just trying to kick it, play some music, you know, maybe smoke a little, drink a little, whatever you like to do in your spare time. This is what I would do on those kind of days, which is usually all my days. I'm used to that. I was already sitting in the house, you know, all the time. Just before COVID hit, you know, and I was doing it for like 2 years. And this is my MAC lightweight, what is this? Waterweight, my bad, waterweight foundation. And I love this one. It's amazing. Now that we have gone ahead and put our foundation on, we have already primed, we have set it with setting powder, we have sprayed with our honeydew. We have sprayed with our setting spray, and I'm just gonna go ahead and spray one more time because it's about to get crazy. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and use that concealer. I just got a new tube, so we're gonna go ahead and knock it on there, okay, ladies? No, my God, I know y'all been seeing the new verses with Brandy versus Monica, right? Oh my goodness. The internet is going crazy. Okay, can we just talk about the fact that people are really coming for Monica for no reason because they expect her to have a vibe that she's never had in her whole career. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add warm honey on top of that toffee color concealer that we just did, okay? We're just trying to get rid of our bags here. If you don't have them, you ain't got nothing to worry about. Don't even follow along to that part. Just use one concealer, okay? Maybe one concealer twice if you want. If the light in this little mid corner doesn't help you. I'm gonna go ahead and add the Tarte Creaseless Concealer in Rich Golden, and let's carry on, shall we? But guys, like, seriously, I honestly don't think it's fair to have judged Monica based on her vibe and her energy, because honestly, you're going off of the fact that Brandy was super excited and super gung-ho and extra and super friendly. Look, I ain't saying there's nothing wrong with it. All I'm saying is just because one person isn't as friendly and gung-ho as another person, and you have two totally different personalities sitting across the room from each other, and you're just saying, wow, this person's super happy, and they're just the best, and this person's the worst because they're not adding to it. Some people don't find that amusing. Some people find that fake. Some people do not like that. Why can't someone just be themselves and be accepted for that? It doesn't make any sense to me. Now we're gonna go ahead and take our Maybelline City Bronzer, and we're gonna go ahead and just dab that in here with this brush. So I just don't understand. I don't get it. Why can't Monica be more reserved more quiet, more chillaxed, and just enjoying the fruits of her labor while they're playing all of these fruits from her labor. That's all I'm saying. Why can't this woman ever just sit there and be quiet? Why does it anytime a woman is not, she's super mean? Let's be honest. It's usually 9 times out of 10 people say that black women are mean when they do that. Let's be 100% honest. That is how the world has always been. Sets her boundaries, sticks up for herself. She's automatically aggressive, negative, depressed, lonely, all these negative attributes, as to where if any other woman of any other race were to say, hey, I'm just not in the mood to be super gung-ho, or I'm just chilling and they're just doing their thing, you guys would say, oh, she's okay, she's cool, she's positive. It doesn't make sense to me. And leave her alone. She's chill. I'm a Scorpio. I take offense to that, okay? Because we really are like that 24/7. Super reserved, super chill. Now, have you ever met me? Of course, you're going to be like, that's a lie. It's not a lie. It's because you really don't know me. It's because you got my surface personality. My surface personality is definitely super my real personality, the person that you get to know and you vibe with and get along with. That person is super just serious, very sensitive, very in her own world. I'm very, very serious as a person. I'm not as fun as people have always assumed. You guys give me 1 second. I'll be right back after I do my brows, okay? All right, guys, I'm back. My eyebrows are snatched because I finally did them. You guys, I've not done my eyebrows in months, and I basically trimmed them down to nothing. So, oh well, I got the look I wanted because I know. This isn't the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Pro Filter Setting Powder. Yeah, it's not that no more because it's gone. I actually mixed because I have one translucent Laura Mercier that is super, super white pale, and then I have one that is the medium deep. So what I do is I mix them two together and I put them in here because I have no more of this. So it makes it a lot easier for me, and it gives me that color that I wanted from Fenty. I feel like Monica is not getting the respect that she deserves, and I don't think it's fair to judge her just because she wasn't just a hyper person. I honestly believe that everyone is different. Everyone literally reacts to things totally differently. No matter what the beef was, if there is no beef, it do not matter. Seriously, it doesn't matter. I just kind of beat this in so it can really set in there, okay? Growing up as a kid, people would tell me I had an attitude problem and I was very rude, or I was stuck up in school, stuff like that. Yeah, I'm sorry you guys, I'm sniffling so much. It's just because all this dust makes my nose just start leaking. I went to school as a kid and I was always super quiet. I was around my family, I was always super quiet. There should be no judging at all. Everyone is different. You guys, all I'm saying here is stop judging others. Leave that lady alone. She got kids. She is established. She is grown. They fell out when they were teenagers, I think. Teenagers in their 20s, I don't know. You have to understand that everyone is different. Not everyone is like you. That's okay. That's actually a good thing. You have to understand that if someone just comes around, or you're watching someone, don't automatically assume they're a mean person or a bad person. Try to understand that everyone's different, and the way some people think is not the way you're gonna think. It's the way some people move is not gonna be the way you move. I'm gonna go ahead and put some setting spray on that, y'all, okay? Just make sure we're not cakey at the end of this tutorial. Overall, my opinion about the whole thing was that it was amazing. That was a great verses. I had never heard of verses before, and I'm in love. Now I gotta figure out how to wash the rest of them. Are there any more out there if anybody knows? I'm gonna use the Morphe 350 Nature Glow Matte Palette. This is gonna be the palette I'm using in September, okay? Yes. Rise from the ashes, my friend. NARS Smudge Proof eyeshadow base. I'm just trying to get it right, get it right, get it tight. Get it together and bring it back to me. More of my story here, or my video. Please don't judge a book by its cover. Please try to look up facts about a person before you judge them, or just try to get to know the person first or something. Like, y'all be wildin'. Like, people cannot catch a break these days on social media, I'll tell you that. I'm going ahead in with this lighter color. Let me show you the color I'm using. This guy right over here. They don't have names on these, so sorry y'all. Y'all gonna have to just see how I do it, and I'm gonna show you the color. I'm going in with this guy right here, just a little dab, just a little something, just so I can give it a little color pop with that lighter color. I just went in with this dark guy right here. It kind of reminds me of like a black bear color. I don't know why I get excited when I look at it, and then I think that I feel like I made up a dope color name or something. Ooh, I had ordered this cake from Black Bear Diner. Oh my god, it was like, I think last week I did. Y'all have no idea how mad I was. I was teed off. Why I'm eating the cake right? So when you making cake, and the cake is always moist, but when you leave the cake out with no top on it, or if you put it in the fridge with no top on it, then the cake sides, like the sides that are exposed to the air, are crusty. So like the cake been sitting and tastes funny. That's the kind of cake they gave me. Disrespectful. I'm gonna take the same brush, clean a little bit, but I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this darker brown here. Okay. I wanted something it could lay on to make it pop. How you see? It looked funny with the black, right? It's that darker, deep black brown. That grizzly or that black bear color. But now we put grizzly bear on top. Yeah, grizzly bear. That's the color it is. Look like a grizzly bear. This next brush is the M166 from Morphe. And I'm just gonna go ahead and dip it into that brown there. Okay. Oh, is that Pinky? Hi, Pinky. She thinks somebody's in here, but I'm really talking to you. This should really stay all day, for real. No lie. I'm gonna take another one of these M506 brushes. I didn't tell you earlier it was an M506, but it's an M506 from Morphe. It's a good blending brush, okay, for smaller spaces. And I'm gonna take it right here in this little lighter color, right above the brown that I used. So pat. Right above this. We're gonna have more fall looks coming. All right, I'm gonna teach you guys a lot of cute fall looks because I love that dark burgundy, brown. I love that. Just because I do really colorful colors, I really do love these other looks. I really do. That eye is completed. A little bit more. Yeah. And I'll be back after I finish my other one, okay? Alright, you guys, I'm back. Okay, as you see, I finished my eyes. I finished my lips. Did my beauty marks. Pretty much, I'm ready to go. I'm just ready to do my blush and my highlight, and we're done, okay? Let's go ahead and pull out our Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Palette, okay? And get that same brush we used for the bronzer earlier, but clean it. There's no way supposed to clean it all the way, or don't do it at all, because, yeah. Go ahead, take that purple, that dark purple, once again, because that's my favorite. And stamp it in there. All right, guys, look at me. Oh, hot mama. Hot mama. Hit these loose hairs. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my fake little Kylie Jenner thing. Ooh, y'all. Ooh, y'all. You guall can tell me I do not look good. Okay. And I'm sorry, you guys, if you hear any noise in the background. I left my AC on in the bedroom, so it might be a little bit noisy. Just a little bit. Let's spray a little bit real quick. Yeah, no, I got a problem. We're gonna go ahead and take that matte gold deposit highlight. We're gonna, ooh. Can't help but to put that gold on my skin. But y'all, we got that Fenty Beauty Diamond Bond for me. Okay, just the cognac, candy color cognac, candy color. Hey, this looks so good, y'all. We look amazing. See, y'all, they always blasting fireworks. Just finished my darn face. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna switch up my clothes a little bit. I ain't gonna get too fancy because this is supposed to be an at-home cute look. So I'm just gonna throw on some little cute but comfy so y'all can just see how it looks with real clothes. And then we'll be out of here, all right? And I won't take any more of your time. I promise. I promise. So you guys like the finished look? Yeah. All right, you guys. I'm going to end this video off by asking you to please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Legati Beauty. It's the same as my YouTube name. Or you can follow me on Snapchat as well at Legati just by itself. And also remember to hashtag your looks at hashtag Legati or hashtag Legati Beauty so I can see your looks if you choose to follow along with my tutorials, okay? If you want to look like this, you might as well, right? Alright guys, turn on your post notifications and remember, stay beautiful, pony boy.